Alright, so now we are at KSL Esplanade, and I'm just going to give you a quick tour. We notice that this place has its own private lift. So the moment the lift opens, right, you already have access to the house, yeah, to the unit here. Okay, this door will be going to outside. Okay, so let's go in. This is the living hall, very spacious, yeah, 2,500 square feet and above. We got 4 rooms and 5 bathrooms. All the rooms are connected. One is a shed outside. Let's have a look. Okay, we start off with the master bedroom. Very spacious. In fact, if you open the curtain and also the balcony, if you can call it that, you have access to your own garden. You have your own garden, but over the fence, that was a common area. There's a children's playground right across. Okay, we'll see that afterwards. Okay. This is the attached bathroom. You can have a look. Okay, got its own glass. Okay, so all the bathrooms are quite identical. Yeah? Almost all of them very identical. Okay, let's have a look at the other room. So if you're a big family, you have a lot of rooms here, 4 rooms, huh? All right, identical. Okay, let's quickly have a look at outside. Okay, it's not a balcony, instead you have access to your own garden. All right, for a service residence. All right, okay, if you like to do some light gardening, this will be a good place, all right? But I don't think you can grow a tree here. Put them to potted plants, all right? Okay, let's have a look. We go check out the other rooms, and then we'll also have a look at the kitchen and the back. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, again, identical room. If you are interested in this unit, of course, the fixtures, cabinets, air cons, water heater will all be here. But as for the rest of the loose items that are movable, like beds, furniture, all that one negotiable, yeah, if you want or don't want. All right, okay, so this room is currently empty. Yeah? This is one of the smaller rooms. Okay, let's have a look at the kitchen. Okay. This will be the back. Okay, you can do laundry here. And there's also a shared toilet here as well, although this is a fairly small one. Storeroom. Okay. So that concludes the video tour for this unit.